back to my channel and you are watching a new video hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, there is some attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and videos online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay.
Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The hotel is fine, yes, but to enjoy the surroundings. For booking or more details, please read description box.
If you are facing any kind of problem with booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you.
If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to the channel or you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that